Eventually, he's over there pushing them all, pushing that fuel cell towards the outpost. He's got it there at the outpost. What else can Dozer do?
I want you to pay attention to this match. It's going to be one for the ages. We're going to see some big scores here, and we might see some other things happening as well. Pay attention. Lots going on. We got big scores going on the blue side, and it looks like we might have a couple of climbers. We got at least one climber. Yeah, we do. Oh my gosh, we're already up almost to 200 on the blue side.
It's 500 shots now draining in. Last 3 seconds of this match. 2, 1. Oh. Blue Alliance starting to pull back. Red Alliance in the lead. Will the Blue Alliance be able to bring it back? 1 second left. Unbelievable!
Welcome back to the upper bracket, folks. We've got 4 robots in the center of the field. High Tide getting beached 43-22, ending up on their side.
Behind, actually. Looks like Blue's gonna get that first active hub coming out of the Trans Alliance robot right now in the middle of the field.
Let's dig into this match, shall we?
And deliver it back to their side. Few seconds remain in the blue activated hub, and they're letting it rain on down and pour down as it is in game time with less than 5 points separating these teams.
In their drivetrain and the floor. Coming over the bump, though, is their alliance partner Thorbots, giving them a friendly nudge back onto the floor.
They just seek the right moment to pounce. That's it, both hubs now active.
Looks like we have some surfs out there in the middle of the field from the Red Alliance.
Of fuel heading in to that hub.
Gets over 100. And is that a level 2 or 3 tower climb? Oh!
63-13, leaving autonomous. Oh my goodness! As breakaway is just lining up shooting one drop of fuel after another.
We are back in action. It's finals match number 1 on the Ocean field.
Very first match in the lower bracket, teams are fighting to stay alive in this playoff tournament, and 3205 knows that the best way to do that is to make sure the other alliance doesn't outscore you. So they're going to do some circles in the neutral zone, disrupting.
We call it the backup dance. Yes! Woo!
That the Blue Alliance wins with a score of 428-7. The Blue Alliance has 5 ranking points from the match.
Now, as we walk over here, we can see who gained all the fuel. Ooh, scoring tip getting rained on by fuel.
Rewind losing a quarter of their bumper inside, all of their bumper inside the Red Alliance zone.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on future fun videos. It isn't too late to order competition apparel for your team at FRC Tees. Founded by FIRST alumni and offering a free 14-day turnaround with expedited options available, go to frctees.com to see why hundreds of teams are making FRC Tees their first choice for their apparel needs. That's frctees.com.